Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome back to All Computer Classes. Students, this is part 5 of chapter 14 and we are learning Microsoft Excel 2010, right? So today's topic is creating, moving, resizing and deleting charts in MS Excel, right? So this entire class is going to be a practical class. So let's move ahead and see how to create charts. So first topic is creating charts. For creating charts, we need to move to the Microsoft Excel. So let's move to Microsoft Excel. Students, whenever we want to create a chart, it is must to have some data before that, right? So we have this data in front of us. The first step is to select the data, right? Then we will click on Insert tab, right? And in the charts group, we have various charts. For example, we say we want to make column chart and we have its subtypes like 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone. So whatever kind of charts we want to see on our screen, we can select that. For now, I will select 3D column charts, right? The moment we click, we get to see the chart in front of us, right? When this chart is selected, you will, if we select this, now you see we have these type of layouts. Now I select the last layout. You see this is how I chart will look. If I select this one, if I select this one, so whatever kind of charts layout you are liking, you can select that, right? In some, all the labeling is given, like names are here, marks are written here, this legend entry is here and the chart title is here, right? And in some, the marks are added at the bottom, right? And these are 3D columns, right? Now we have chart styles. We can select the various chart styles from here, you see. So whatever kind of style you are liking, you can select that and that will appear on your screen, right? Now we have chart styles. We can select the various chart styles from here, you see. So whatever kind of style you are liking, you can select that and that will appear on your screen, right? Now if the selected range has no detail about titles, labels, etc., we can insert these in chart by moving to the layout tab. Now if we go here, we can insert the chart title. Now you see the first one is none. If we have this, there will be no chart title. If we select the centered overlay, so it will appear like this, right? So this is how the chart title can be inserted. If we are not having the axis title, so we want to insert that horizontally, vertically, so we can choose that, right? So if we want to have legend entries, so where we want to place the legend entry, it is indicating that, right? So right, top, left, bottom, legend overlay at the right, legend overlay at the left, right? So where now see I have selected the left, so it is coming on this side, right? So like this you can add the labels to your charts, right? For example, only English marks have been added here. If I want to add, for example, Hindi, and I want to give the marks 20, 40, I want to give marks 89, 67, 98, 89, 87 and 20, 40, I want to give marks 89, 67, 98, 89, 87 and 90, right? And click OK, right? And click OK. You see one more entry will appear here and you can see one more bar, right? The column has been added to the chart, right? So this is how we can add the new entry. And if we want to modify, for example, I go right click and select data, and if we want to edit, click on edit. So which series we want to edit. If we want to give some other name, I want to give it a name, not English but maths, right? And for marks, I am going to write 80, 90, 70, 80 and 60 and bracket close and click OK and OK. Now you see the data table has been modified, marks, all the marks have been modified. So this is how you can make the changes in the chart itself, right? So students, I hope you are clear with how to create the chart in Microsoft Excel, right? Now the next topic is moving chart, then resizing chart, and then deleting chart. So we have 3 topics with us. So the first one is moving the chart. The moment you place your mouse pointer on the chart, you will see this mouse pointer turned into 4 directional arrowheads. So you click on it, drag the chart wherever you want to, right? So this is how we can move our chart, right? So you need to see this 4 arrowheads all together, right? Next is resizing. When you take your mouse pointer to the corner of the chart, any corner, the top, bottom, right? So for example, I bring my mouse pointer to the bottom, and if you see bidirectional arrowheads, then it is indicating that you can resize your chart, right? So this is how you have resized. Now you can make it bigger as well as you can make it smaller, right? So this is how you can resize your chart. For deleting the chart, what you need to do, you just click over it and press the delete key from your keyboard. Your chart will get deleted, right? So students, now we will see how we can have multiple data series in our chart, right? So for that we need to have multiple datas, right? Now one thing that you need to keep in mind is, if you do not select the data and without selecting it you go in insert tab and make any chart, it will be a blank chart, right? And you will wonder why my chart is not appearing. So for that you need to always select the data or the table that you have created first, and then go to insert and go to the charts, right? So this is a quick revision also. Now you can see the multiple data of one student, right? So Arisha has data series of 3 colors. Blue is indicating English, maroon is indicating Hindi, and science is indicated by green color, right? Now for after this, what we had learned, the moment we have chart on the screen, we have 3 tabs with us. The first one is design tab. In the design tab we have the option to choose the different charts layout, right? So we can select that, right? Whichever chart layouts you like, you can choose that, right? Then we have the chart styles. So if you have the similar color with different shade, you can choose that, right? Then we learned how to move the chart. So for that you just keep your mouse pointer on the chart, and your mouse pointer will be having the 4 directional arrowheads. It is indicating that you can move your chart in any direction, right? So this is how you can move. Now the next is how we can resize the chart. For that, just bring your mouse pointer to any corner, right? So any corner you will see a bidirectional arrowheads, that is indicating how you can just resize your chart by dragging it with bidirectional arrows at the corner, right? Also at the sides, right? Then how to delete a chart? For that, just click on the chart and press the delete key from your keyboard. Control Z to bring back your chart, right? So that's all about how to create chart, how we can move chart, resize and delete the chart. Student, computer is a practical subject, so you cannot learn just by watching videos or studying it from the book. For that, you always have to practice it by yourself, right? So I hope you will practice and learn it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Goodbye. Good night.